Hey everybody, Jason with Brett's Brick Builds here. I am Jason, that is Brett, and we're going to do one we have not done for quite some time. We are going to do a old antique kit. I guess it's over 25 years old. It's over 25 years old, so it's technically an antique. What we have here is we have all the way back from 1988, kit number 6524. Has two names. It is known as the Blizzard Blazer or Snowplow. Yeah, I agree, Brett. Snowplow is a little more practical, but Blizzard Blazer sounds pretty cool. And what we have here, in this case, I have very little of the original instructions here. Kind of a just the remains of them. You got a little alternative build there, kind of like a drag car it looks like. But I went to the interwebs and I got us from a website called Toys Period. They have a lot of the old instruction books, so we're going to be able to build it with this that I was able to download off the internet. So check out toysperiod.com. Not a sponsor, but if you're looking at, if you got an old kit you're trying to find instructions for, might be a place to start there. This kit is listed as being 42 pieces and one minifigure. So, not real sure if we're on the exact number there, but yeah, close enough is good enough, Brett. So, first thing we will do, have our instructions here in living color. And we will go ahead and pop our kit out for building. I'm going to set our baggie over here. First thing we'll do, we'll put our minifigure together. And he is complete, but he has a very faded face that you will see in a moment. But you know, what are you gonna do? The guy's like, you know, what is he, like 37 years old, you know? Takes a little bit of, takes a bit of a wear on you. So let's see. And he is a very simple minifigure of the time period. He's got the standard hard hat, which they still use, but then he just has plain black legs and a plain red torso. No printing on the back. That is our figure. Exactly, Brett. Still a good looking fella. Fine figure of a man, as Jeremiah Johnson would say. And we'll go into this one here. This one's going to go pretty quick. But these old kits tended to be kind of a fast build. Much less of the complicated or, you know, I think of a way to say it. A lot more limited building options they had with the Lego pieces that were available to them at the time. So they just made, you know, they were creative and made stuff happen when they could. And that was how they figured, you know, made pieces out of. Made the pieces so that they could, you know, just make it happen with what was available to them. Now there's so many special and select pieces that I'm not going to say it's not a challenge anymore, and it's very creative and it's cool, but there's something about this, to me, the simplicity of the older kits and the limited, what they were able to do with a few pieces, to me, was still to this day really impressive. And some of these pieces are a little faded, a little marked, a little chewed up, but it's all part of the, I guess, the charm of building some of these older kits. Five, yes. So we've got a couple of the headlight pieces with the clear headlight going on. They're going to go naturally right at the front. And then we have 1x4s. Using that to make the frame of the driver's cabin. Steer wheel there. A couple of these clear 1x2s. Then a 1x4 on the back there. Now this, you can see in the instructions, they're telling me to put on this yellow piece here first, and then snap that on. And this, I left it together when I got it, because some of these pieces at this age, if you try to pop them off, you may crack or split them. And these plows are, they're not exactly a dime a dozen. They're a little hard to come by, so I just left this attached when I assembled, disassembled it when I got it. So that's why I'm not going to go ahead and snap that piece off individually, because I may actually snap a piece off individually if I try to do that. So we're just going to go here, pop these pieces together. Sure that goes. That's a nice snug clutch fit on those. All right, let's set that piece there. We're there. Okay, just making sure that we're where we should be on the build. I'm going to go ahead and flip her over. And we're going to go with these 1x4 black plates, the front. And then we've just got a couple of the Technic pieces. So even back then, even in '88, they were mixing Technic with the standard Lego pieces. So it's not quite as taboo as some people act like it's some brand new thing they've been doing. They've been doing it for a pretty long time there. So got our front wheels here. Okay, we're gonna flip her over. We have our smokestack, our exhaust pipe. And I'm gonna put these two guys together first. Got our caution light there on the top. And then our plow assembly piece is going to go on. We'll put that on last as all one component. Then we'll go ahead and we'll take our faded face driver. What's that? Faded face Frank. Okay, we'll go with that, Brett. Faded face Frank. Okay. There we go. Let's get him in there. Ooh. Yeah, sorry, Brett. Easy. So we have, so I can show this here. We've got the driver's cabin we put in. Then we can steer. You know, if you want to push the snow off to that side, you want to push the snow off to that side. You want to back up, you can lift that up, push that snow off that way. So it's pretty, you know, you can lift it up when you're driving, come down, push that snow around. There we are. Let me get a little closer here so you guys can see it. I'm showing it to them. So there's a side view, got a front plan view there. See our driver in there. And we have the articulation left to right, and then up and down via that hinge piece there. And that is it. As I've been doing the channel, it's getting harder to find some of the older kits. I can find very expensive ones that are, you know, mint in box, and I can find some other kits that they're really in not very good shape. This one I would say is about a C+, B- as far as condition. A lot of the pieces are faded, but overall, you know, I think I literally paid like, I think it was like $5 and then another $5 shipping or something to get this. So I'm plenty happy with it as another kit to our antique kit line. But as far as finding new ones, I've got a bid on one new kit. When I say new ones, finding new old kits to build on the channel is what I mean. You got me, Brett? Thank you. So that's where that's why we haven't been able to do many of the older kits, because they're just getting harder to find. So if I find new ones, if I find new old kits, I will continue to buy them for the channel. They're just kind of a dry spot in the market right now for them. If I can find them, I'll buy them. You know, if they're reasonably priced. As Brett says, you know, if it's reasonable, it's reasonable. If you would be so good as to hit us with a like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. Helps us out, helps you out, helps the channel out. In the meantime, this may be our last build for a little while. Kind of like the way we kind of took the summer off last year. We're kind of coming into that area of time again where it's just the number of kits I have laying around for the price. You know, this isn't a monetized or sponsored channel, so this is just, you know, what I can do with my leftover lunch money kind of thing. So if we're not back next week, we're probably just taking a little bit of a break. But you know us, we'll come back. We came back after the last time we said we're coming back, so we were back. So we're probably taking a little bit of a break again, and we'll be back again. But we hope to see you soon. Hope you keep stopping by and checking out the channel. And we'll see you when we see you. But we are coming back. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later.